The path of Dharm, as shown by ancient scriptures and teachings of Bhagwan Mahavir, Gautam Budh, and Shankaracharya, are either forgotten or are badly distorted. Vision for Moksh is now replaced with greed for immortality. People are experimenting with anti-aging. They are changing their body chemistry by injecting more chemicals. And those who are pursuing Moksh do not have vision. Their devotion has become their pride rather than faith. And they are setting wrong examples. They are doing more damage to humanity by setting wrong examples. You are saying, if we follow the path of Dharm, we will gain health. And to follow the path of Dharm, we need to change our lifestyle. But this is not possible now. Our lifestyle has changed drastically compared to ancient times. People have lost faith in ancient wisdom and lifestyle. They laugh at others who practice it. There is a complete breakdown of spirituality, health, and well-being. Spirituality becomes a far bigger dream when people are struggling with their health.